Okay. Hi guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to deal with customers and friends discounts. Yes, you can't dodge it except you fell from heaven. Like you fell from heaven to the earth. You don't have father, you don't have mother, you don't have sisters, you don't have friends, and you don't have, maybe you don't go to church, or you don't have church members, or basically you just fell from heaven and you're alone and you just walk around and you live and breathe. Okay. Without digressing too much, today we're going to be talking about friends and family discounts. You can't dodge friends and family discounts if you have a business and you're a human being. You can't, like, you literally cannot. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to deal with it, and today I have 5 points for you guys, like 5 ways to deal with friends and family discounts. So according to me, number 1, this is a disclaimer, yeah, so that nobody come out and attack me. These rules are not set in gold, yeah. These rules are just the rules like I run my business by and that has worked for me, and I tweak them from time to time with like the wiser I get. Like now I'm 30 years old, so like I'm like getting wiser, you know, and wiser by the day. So the wiser I get, the more like the rule changes. But for now, this is what I do, and it's been working for me so far. Okay, so number 1, which is the most important, is that you want to make sure you have a definite list of friends and family. Like, what is friends and family to you? It can't be 200 people, it can't be 700 people. Otherwise, you can't make any profit and you won't make any headway in your business, because you're just going to be giving your stuff away. Because friends and family, you know, they finish and they all love you, but you need money, yeah? And love does not pay the bills, okay? Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to pen down the people that mean a lot to you, like where you live. For example, I don't really live close to home, so like usually my friends are my friends and family. So I have a list of friends that maybe like they don't like they are in my list of people that get discounts maybe when they want a cake, or they have an event for their boyfriend or something, and you should have like a list of the things you don't do. For example, my friends and family list, for example, those are my friends. I have about 4 or 5 friends on this list. They don't actually pay for cake per se, but it is for their own cake. It's not like maybe they want to make a cake for their boyfriend and they'll come to me and expect friends and family discounts. They want to make a cake for their friend, they'll come to me and expect friends and family discounts. They want to make a cake for their friend's friend. That's how it works. Otherwise you won't make any money. Okay, so you get me. So you want to have a list of rules, like this is the list of friends and family that I have. These are the people that get discounts, and this is the kind of discounts they get. It's not everybody that just gets any kinds of discounts you get. Okay. Number 2, church members are not friends and family. Yes, they love you. You guys speak in tongues together, sweetheart. Church members are not friends and family. So when you're making your friends, Jesus forgive me. When you're making your friends and family discount, church members are not part of them, because there are plenty of people in church and you're just going to be giving your stuff away, and everybody wants a discount. If you're Nigerian or if you're African, you know that like Africans, like it's kind of like a culture for you to want a discount. Sometimes it's not even that you can't afford it, like it just, once you price something, oh, how much is this thing? Oh, it's $20. Oh, can I pay 15? It's just in your head. It's not like you don't have $20, or it's not because you don't think it's worth $20. So friends and church members are not friends and family. Otherwise, you give all your stuff away. Understood? Yes. Okay. Number 3, classmates and group mates are not friends and family. Oh, okay. It's almost the same thing, but I'm sure you get me. Yeah, you see them every day. They love you. They help you with your schoolwork. They help you with your assignments. They are loving. You guys be together. Group mates and classmates are not friends and family, because let's say, for example, you have like maybe 15. You can, of course, you can't be close to everybody in your group, but you can, maybe you might close, you're close to about 6 or 7 of them. That's not friends and family. Otherwise, you give all your stuff away. Okay, I'm taking this personal now, but you guys get me, yeah? Church members are not friends and family. Group mates and classmates are not friends and family. And friends and family of your friends and family are not friends and family. Okay. Okay. So now that I've given you 3 lists of people that are not friends and family. Number 4, what you want to do is you make sure you know what you can afford to do for free. For example, let me give you an example of what I do, yeah? I do friends and family discount. Like I have some friends that they're my friends, they don't really pay for cake and stuff because I love them. They supported me, they love me, they are like my, my goons and stuff. So they don't really pay for cake. But something I do is like, I'm not that rich, I don't have that much money, plus like you get like, I'm just trying to patch it like from side to side, just patch it, you get. So I can't afford to really give completely free to friends and family. So what I do is, you can pay for ingredients. I'll list the ingredients. Like honestly, I'm not going to be adding or padding the budget so they can pay more. Like they're my friends. Like I have a list of maybe 4 or 5 of them. They're my people, Like I can decide, okay, maybe you want this cake. Oh, this is the cake you want for your birthday. Okay, no problem. This cake will cost about maybe 600 or 700, or how much will it cost? But the ingredients cost you $20 or $30. So they pay for just ingredients. They're not paying for my time. They're not paying for miscellaneous. They're not paying for maybe logistics and stuff. They're just paying for just ingredients of that thing. So I'm just going to, they're not paying for rentals and tools and stuff. They're just paying for basic ingredients. So that way, like the cost of ingredients are off you. So it's easier for you to even do a good job. There will be no grudges. There'll be no like, I feel like there's a way maybe you give things for free too much, even to the people you love. They can cause resentment because you feel like your business is not great because you're giving too much. So that way, that is out of it because they're footing the bills of the basic things you need for the cake. All you're doing is making it and using your time and all the love and everything. So that's that. Okay, so number 5, track your friends and family discount. Okay, number 5, which is very important, yes, is that you should track your friends and family discounts. Let's say, for example, you have a huge, some people are more friendly. I'm a friendly person, but I have very few close friends. Like there are very few people that are close to me that know me and know my, Okay, so what you want to do, which is very important for you to know, for example, what I do is, if I'm giving friends and family discount, I don't give more than 2 or 3 in a month. Yes. So let's say my best friend wants a cake and maybe this and that. Okay, hers is already 1. And then let's say my boyfriend's birthday and stuff, that's 2. Oh no, he doesn't pay for cake. Any boyfriend. Okay, so and then maybe the third person is maybe your other close friend. Make sure maybe decide if do you want to do 2 per month, do you want to do 3 per month, do you get? That way you'll be able to have a budget and it will be able to fit into, like it won't chop too much into your profits and your time for the other things you should be getting money for. I don't know if you understand. That way you have no like, okay, I make 2 or 3, I make at least 2 to 3 friends and family discounts a month. So the discounted cake you make in a month will be around maybe 2 or 3. That way it won't really like dig into your profit or dig into your time or even affect your business that much, if you guys understand me. Okay, so in summary, the first thing is you want to, number 1, how to deal with friends and family discounts. So I'm summarizing it for you guys. I'm such an awesome teacher. Okay, so number 1, have a limited list. Yeah, a limited and a definite list. Number 2, church members are not friends and family. Number 3, classmates and group mates are not friends and family. Number 4, friends of friends and family or family of friends and family are not friends and family. Wonderful. Number 5, know what you can afford to do for free. Yes, so decide, do you want to do this for free? Like, will they pay for just ingredients and all of that? So number 6, track your friends and family discounts. Yes, so if you want to do 2 a week or 3 a week, just depends on you, depending on what you can carry and how big your business is. So that's all for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you so much, and I will see you. Before I go, could you please subscribe and give me click on the the thumbs up stuff so you can give me a thumbs up. I'd really like that because I work really hard on these videos. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next tutorial.